Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Jamaicans can now access and utilize their central bank digital currency, JAMDEX. Jamaica's sole wallet provider Link, which is backed by the National Commercial Bank NCB, says as of today, the $2,500 in JAMDEX will be deposited. This was the sum promised by the government to the first 100,000 Jamaicans who sign up for the digital wallet. JAMDEX is officially legal tender following changes to the Bank of Jamaica Act. The central bank digital currency can be used in day-to-day transactions as with the same value as cash. Link has a number of local merchants which will allow online and mobile transactions. Television Jamaica switched on its second NextGen-TV transmitter this weekend as it continues to lead Jamaica in rolling out ATSC 3.0. The second site was commissioned into service in Montego Bay, St. James on Sunday. Jamaica is third behind South Korea and the United States in the adoption and transmission of an ATSC 3.0 digital terrestrial television service. The government is exploring the deployment of electric vehicles across various ministries. On Friday, an agreement was signed for trial use. The project is being executed by the local distributors Flash Motors and Stewart Automotive with support from the Inter-American Development Bank IDB. Xavier Gordon is the CEO of Flash Motors.
We'll be deploying BYD vehicles in fleets for 5 different ministries for a total of 6 weeks. And those ministries will have the ability to drive the vehicles wherever they want to go, put it through their paces, carry it back in good shape, please. As Duncan mentioned, one is his personal car, so let's not ding it up too much. And we are supported again by the JPS Foundation, so those cars will come with full access to JPS's nationwide charging network as well, too.
Meanwhile, Prime Minister Andrew Holness says Jamaica is now being positioned to lead the region's electric vehicle rollout.
We have a far way to go, but I am confident that with the policy in place, with the investments that are now being made for the charging stations, for the trading of the cadre of skills to maintain and repair, and with other dealers coming on board to put in place the infrastructure. And more importantly, once we have given the signal that we are on the way, the manufacturers of electric vehicles will start to program their manufacturing schedules for Jamaican demand.
Now the U.S. currency is being sold for an average $152.79. $117.79 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $181.25 for the pound, and $156.82 for the euro. To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 1,079 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 16 points. Among the winners, ISP Finance Services, Berger Paints, CAC 2000, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, and Trans-Jamaican Highway US dollar shares. Among the losers, Sterling Investments, Iron Rock Insurance Company, SSL Venture Capital Jamaica, Epley, and Express Catering. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.